If you've been having problems with transferring properties because of estate tax or real property taxes, we have good news for you. The government has now made available for the people a triple amnesty program. A triple amnesty program. So bakit ito ginawa? It's because the government has seen that a lot of properties are still tied up in the names of decedents, of deceased relatives, parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and so it slows down the economy. The first law was the estate tax amnesty, wherein it offered no interest, no penalties, and a flat rate of 6% for the next net taxable estate on people who left properties na hindi na settle. This is particularly helpful for those who have had a long standing challenge of the cost. Dati po kasi before 2018, the tax rate was 20% maximum for estate taxes. But now because of the estate tax amnesty, it has gone down to a more manageable 6%. Tapos, ang valuation pa nito is from the time of death. So, hindi yung present value but at the time of death. It was extended and now it will end on June 14, 2025. We don't know yet kung ma-extend pa siya ng isa pang beses, but it's best to avail of it right now while it is still valid. Second amnesty that is beneficial is the real property amnesty tax. So, malaki pong bagay ito kasi yung amilyar na tinatawag or real property taxes, hindi po nababayaran. And hindi rin ma-transfer because even though there was an estate tax amnesty, wala pong amnesty dun sa real property tax. It is yung estate tax, which is a national tax from the national government. Iba po yun dun sa local tax ng local government. Fortunately, there is a new law, Republic Act 12001, kung saan po, there will now be also an amnesty on real property tax. So, dalawa ng amnesty, isa sa estate, isa sa real property tax. But, hindi pa po na ipapasa ito. But wait, there's more. In line with the estate tax amnesty, the Bureau of Local Government Finance ng DOF has encouraged local governments to enact ordinances so that magkaroon rin ng estate tax amnesty on the real property taxes and then on the transfer taxes. So yun po yung maganda, kagaya po ng sa Mandaluyong, meron po tayong kaibigan na konsehal, si Konsi Reggie Antiojo, siya po ang nagsulong. And there are also other cities wherein these ordinances have been passed or are about to be passed, na kung saan po it makes it easier for property owners to transfer their assets, their properties from their deceased relatives sa kanila at sa mga tagapagmana by not just with the estate tax amnesty, but also a real property tax amnesty. In some cases, even a transfer tax amnesty. So those are the triple amnesties that we encourage you to avail of since they are now available for the first time na sabay-sabay. So wag na po natin sayangin yung panahon. Let's avail of this and avail of the estate tax amnesty, the real property tax amnesty, and you can also check with your local governments kung meron bang ordinansya na naipasa exempting you or granting an amnesty for the real property taxes as well as the transfer taxes. So, yun lang po and God bless you.